This is Loretta Lynch, President Obama's nominee to replace Eric Holder as Attorney General. Here she is testifying before the Senate Judiciary Committee yesterday, and the question from Jeff Sessions, which I will play in a moment, asks her who has more right to a job, a legal alien, an American citizen, or an illegal alien. Her answer to this question, in my opinion, disqualifies her from the job. And you'll see why in a moment.
The President's action would give people who came here unlawfully the right to work, the right to participate in Social Security and Medicare. When Congress has not done that, allows them to stay for at least a period lawfully. Let me ask you this. In the workplace of America today, when we have a high number of unemployed, we've had declining wages for many years, we have the lowest percentage of Americans working, who has more right to a job in this country? A lawful immigrant who's here, a green card holder, or a citizen, or a person who entered the country unlawfully?
Well, Senator, I believe that the right and the obligation to work is one that's shared by everyone in this.
The right and obligation to work is shared by everyone. Okay. Continue.
This country, regardless of how they came here, and certainly
regardless of how they came here. The right and the obligation to work is shared by everyone, regardless of how they came here. In other words, if you're an American worker, you enjoy no greater right to work than an illegal alien? That's what she's saying. What she's saying is what Obama believes. What she's saying is what is written into Obama's executive order on immigration. Is that what you believe? I would stipulate that most Americans, probably 80 or 90% of Americans, do not believe that illegal aliens have just as much a right to a job as American citizens when we have millions of American citizens out of work. Consider this. Illegal aliens will work off the books for less than minimum wage. And not only that, they will work without any of the legal protections. So she is advising Obama, and she's agreeing with Obama that it's simply okay for illegal aliens to compete that way against American workers. What advantage is there to being an American if the people who enforce the laws don't believe that the laws are enforceable and don't protect you? I mean, she's not willing to enforce the law as it exists, but she is willing to allow President Obama to amend the law to his own liking. This is a disqualifying answer.
If someone is here, regardless of status, I would prefer that they be participating in the workplace than not participating in the workplace.
Well, isn't that precious? She would rather they be participating in the workplace. Well, yes, and I would rather that there would be so many jobs, there would be too many jobs to fill. But there isn't. There's a scarce number of jobs, especially well-paid jobs. And this woman is out there saying that it doesn't matter how you got into this country. You can get that job, and that American worker doesn't have any more right to that job? What the hell is she talking about? And who the hell is Obama nominating an idiot like this? Well, we know exactly who he is. He's the guy who wants to change the law with his pen.